For generations, gardeners believed composting was the secret to healthy soil. We're taught to collect kitchen scraps and leaves, turning waste into black gold. Composting feels magical, turning trash into treasure for our gardens. The promise? Rich compost that feeds plants and avoids chemicals. But what if composting isn't the only or best way? Could there be something easier and just as powerful? The answer might surprise you. Let's explore a new approach. The reality of composting is often less magical than promised. For most gardeners, it's slow, sometimes taking a year for a pile to break down. While you wait, your plants may go hungry. Managing a compost pile is hard work, turning, balancing greens and browns, and troubleshooting smells or pests. Even with effort, results are inconsistent, nutrient content varies, and valuable nitrogen can be lost. Piles attract rats and flies, take up space, and can frustrate neighbours. After all that, your black gold might not deliver the nutrition your plants need. Is this really the most efficient way to feed your soil? Maybe it's time to rethink the compost pile. There could be a better, easier way. Let's look at what nature does. Imagine skipping the pile and feeding your soil directly. Surface feeding or sheet mulching means spreading organic matter right onto your garden beds. No turning, no bins, no waiting, just a living layer that nourishes plants fast. Earthworms, beetles and microbes do the work, pulling material into the soil and breaking it down. Add grass clippings, kitchen scraps or leaves whenever you have them. No need to perfect the mix. The soil ecosystem handles decomposition, delivering nutrients quickly. Your beds stay neat, weed-suppressing and moisture-retaining. No smelly piles, no wasted space. Surface feeding is a simple, resilient system for healthy gardens. Let's see how to do it. Surface feeding is easy. Just stop digging and start layering. Spread a thin layer of kitchen scraps or garden waste directly on your soil. Cover with mulch straw, wood chips or shredded leaves. The mulch hides scraps from pests, keeps soil moist and feeds soil life. For a boost, water with a molasses solution, 1 tablespoon in a gallon of water every few weeks. Molasses energizes microbes, speeding up decomposition and nutrient release. For containers, do the same. Add scraps, cover with fine mulch, and water with molasses. Nutrients wash down to roots every time you water. This method creates self-fertilizing beds and pots, saving time and money. No more waiting for compost to finish. Your plants get a steady supply of nutrients, right when they need it. It's that simple. Surface feeding copies nature's own system. On a forest floor, leaves and twigs fall, and soil life breaks them down. No piles, no turning. This creates deep, fertile soil and a thriving ecosystem. By mimicking this, you build a living, self-sustaining garden. Plants get a steady, balanced diet, growing stronger and more resilient. You save money, reduce waste, and break free from store-bought fertilizers. Just remember, always cover food scraps with mulch and check soil moisture before watering. Skipping the mulch invites pests and dries out scraps. With these simple steps, you create a productive, planet-friendly garden. You sequester carbon, support beneficial creatures, and become a true steward of your soil. Nature's way is simple, effective, and free. Try surface feeding and watch your garden thrive. Sometimes the best solutions are right at your feet.